Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car polishers for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to restore your car's shine, remove scratches, or just make maintenance easier, we've got you covered. Be sure to check the product links in the description below for more details. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Avrit Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit. This entry is perfect for those who want a hassle-free, cordless experience. It's equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that delivers up to 4,500 RPM, and its lightweight, compact design at just 3 pounds makes it ultra-portable and beginner-friendly. The dual 21V 2.0 Ah batteries ensure you won't run out of power mid-task, and the included fast charger keeps downtime minimal. The Avrit Polisher stands out with its ergonomic design, featuring an updated handle that's more comfortable for extended use. The 6-speed settings range from 1,600 to 4,500 RPM, letting you adapt to different surfaces and tasks, whether you're polishing, waxing, or removing scratches. It also includes an 8mm random orbit action for swirl-free results, which is great for beginners worried about damaging their car's paint. While the cordless design is convenient, the Avrit falls slightly short in runtime compared to other cordless models, especially for larger detailing jobs. However, its versatility with multiple pads and attachments, such as foam and wool pads, makes it a great choice for small to medium-sized detailing tasks. If portability and beginner-friendly operation are your priorities, this is a solid pick. Pros: cordless convenience, lightweight design, and wide range of applications. Cons: limited battery life for extended use. At number 4, we have the LD-HT Hopi Buffer Polisher. This corded model features a powerful 1,600-watt motor, making it capable of handling tough tasks like removing oxidation, scratches, and stains. It comes with a 7-speed adjustment ranging from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, giving users flexibility for everything from delicate polishing to aggressive sanding. The detachable D-handle and side handle add to its ergonomic design, ensuring comfort even during extended use. One of the highlights of the LD-HT Hopi is its inclusion of 7 different types of pads, which cater to a variety of tasks, from deep scratch removal to achieving a flawless shine. It's also versatile enough to be used on multiple surfaces, like furniture, boats, and marble, making it a multi-purpose tool. However, beginners should note that this is a rotary buffer, so it requires a bit more control to avoid over-polishing. While the motor is powerful, the required cooling breaks every 15 minutes may slow you down during larger jobs. Additionally, its weight of 4.57 pounds is on the lighter side for a corded unit, making it easier to maneuver. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with robust performance and multi-surface capabilities, this is a great choice for beginners. Pros: powerful motor, multi-surface use, and ergonomic handles. Cons: requires cooling breaks during extended use. In the third spot, we have the Aobin Dual Action Polisher. This 6-inch random orbital polisher is equipped with a 700-watt motor and 6 variable speeds ranging from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM. Its dual-action design ensures a swirl-free finish, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The ergonomic side and top handles offer flexibility and comfort, while the plastic headshell provides insulation during longer tasks. The Aobin kit includes 3 foam pads and 1 synthetic wool pad, giving you the tools needed for everything from waxing to polishing. With its 9.8-foot power cord, you'll have plenty of room to maneuver around your vehicle. The random orbital motion helps protect your car's paint from damage, especially if you're new to detailing. It's also versatile enough for other surfaces like boats and furniture, while the Aobin is slightly heavier at 6.79 pounds. Its robust build and user-friendly design offset this drawback. It's also more affordable compared to professional-grade polishers, making it a cost-effective solution for beginners. Pros: swirl-free dual-action design, user-friendly features, and versatile applications. Cons: slightly heavier than cordless models. Coming in at number 2 is the PropMex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. This model combines portability with power, thanks to its cordless design and 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 2800 to 5500 RPM, this polisher offers impressive versatility for a variety of detailing tasks. The eccentric motion ensures even wax distribution, reducing the risk of over-polishing or damaging the paint. The PropMex kit is loaded with value, featuring 18 attachments, including sponge pads, wool discs, and sandpapers. Its lightweight design at just 3.3 pounds makes it easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. The cordless operation eliminates the hassle of managing cords, making it an excellent choice for those working in tight spaces or without access to power outlets. While the PropMex excels in user convenience, it's worth noting that the battery life may require frequent swapping for larger jobs. However, the inclusion of 2 batteries ensures you can work without significant interruptions. Overall, this is a fantastic option for beginners who want a high-performing, cordless buffer with plenty of accessories. Pros: cordless convenience, lightweight design, and extensive accessory kit. Cons: battery life may be limiting for prolonged use. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the GevaLife Buffer Polisher. This corded powerhouse offers a 1600-watt motor that delivers consistent and smooth performance, making it ideal for tackling oxidation, scratches, and restoring shine. With 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, it provides precision and control for a variety of detailing tasks. The GevaLife polisher is designed with user comfort in mind. Weighing just 4.5 pounds, it's lightweight for a corded model, and the detachable D handle and side handle allow for maximum flexibility. The safety switch lock is another bonus feature, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. The included pads and sandpapers ensure you have everything you need to get started, and the added 2-year warranty reflects the brand's confidence in their product. What sets this model apart is its ability to handle extended use without overheating, thanks to its built-in constant power control board. It's also versatile enough for use on furniture, boats, and more, making it a multi-purpose tool. While it may lack the portability of cordless models, its superior power and precision make it the top choice for beginners who want professional-grade results. Pros: powerful motor, lightweight design, and excellent after-sales support. Cons: requires a power outlet, which limits portability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.